You know, it's funny though, like being a business person, when I go somewhere and I don't get upsold, like I'm
Yo,
almost offended in a sense.
yo,
I'm like,
yo.
you're not going to
Jacqueline,
try to add on no?
Right. If like you're not good enough, and I hate the tangents we're going on, but we're having fun with this. George, you remember what happened in Vegas?
Yes.
Yo,
Yes.
we get to the Caesar's Palace real quick, y'all. We get to the Caesar's Palace, room already paid for. And then the lady asked me after I'm giving her my ID, she said, well, would you like to be upgraded to a premium room? Would you like to keep your basic room? Like I'm like, excuse me? I'm like, well, how much? She's like, it's only blah, 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 blah to upgrade your room. So of course, my pride is on the line now, so I'll decide to upgrade. And then when I do that, she was like, "Oh, well, what type of upgrade did you want? Did you want the basic room upgrade? Did you want the upgrade with 2 stories?" I'm like, "Yo, baby, like, chill out, like, you know what I'm saying?" But like the upset, I can respect it because as a business owner, like I see it, and like to your point, Jacqueline, if they didn't try to upsell me, I would almost felt remiss, like y'all missed out on an opportunity, and it worked, and I knew it was happening.